So this video has been trending for some hours now, where the King of England, His Royal Majesty King Charles III, was seen practicing what is supposedly the obia. Now for those of you who don't know what the obia is, it is a form of African practice or tradition that was taken to the Caribbean by the enslaved Africans. It involves spell casting and then traditional healing. Most of the obia traditional practices came from the Asante people. That is where the name came from. Even though it was a combination of different African traditions, from the Igbo people, the Yoruba people, and all of them, they all came together to combine their traditions. That is how it got the name Obia. It means everyone.
You get it?
Now, this practice was used by the enslaved Africans for protection and the rebellion against their masters in the Caribbean. One particular person who made the Obia practice popular was this Asante warrior, the Nanny of the Maroons. This African tradition scared the colonizers to the extent that they abolished it in the 1760s. Anyone who was seen practicing the obia was arrested. The obia was often mistaken as the voodoo, but the people who practiced this obia were known as the obia men or the obia women. When slavery was abolished in the 1830s in the Caribbean, they passed a law that made this particular obia illegal forever. So when this video popped up, people were like, how is this abolished in Jamaica when the king himself, King Charles III, is burning away negative vibes?
I'm telling you.
This tells you how powerful the African tradition was before everything they introduced to us.